Hello guys! So, ang papakita kong experiment sa inyo ay about sa sublimation. And yung experiment na to ay tinatawag nating bursting bubbles. So, una, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga gagamitin natin. Meron tayong hot water, gloves, eyeglass, balloons, and especially the dry ice. Tsaka yung jar. So, step 1, muna natin gawin, suot natin yung gloves and yung eyeglass natin for protection purposes. So, yeah, suot na natin. And second step naman is, ilagay natin yung dry ice dito sa jar. Step is, lagyan natin siya ng hot water. Uy! Putang! Yun! Saan na nagtatapos ang experiment natin? Hello everyone, I'm Rafael and I'm here to explain kung paano nga ba nangyari ang sublimation sa ginawa nating experiment. And yung experiment natin ay pangalan na bursting bubbles, kung saan papuputukin natin ang balloon gamit ang dry ice mismo. And gumamit tayo ng mga materials katulad ng gloves, glasses, jar, balloons, hot water, and especially dry ice. So, alam naman natin na ang dry ice ay sobrang lamig. Meron siyang negative 109.3 degrees Fahrenheit. And when dry ice or solid carbon dioxide is mixed with hot water, it undergoes a process na tinatawag nating sublimation. Sublimation is the transition of a substance from a solid directly to gas without passing through the liquid phase. In the case of dry ice, it sublimates into carbon dioxide gas. Ang init na dala ng hot water causes the dry ice to rapidly turn into carbon dioxide gas, creating a visually striking effects as the gas release. This process is often used for special effects in various applications, such as creating fog or smoke for theatrical production or Halloween decorations. It is important to note that handling dry ice should be done with care, as it extremely cold, about negative 78.5 degrees Celsius or negative 109.3 degrees Fahrenheit can cause frostbite or burns if not handled properly. Additionally, the carbon dioxide gas released during sublimation can displace oxygen in confined spaces. So, it's essential to use dry ice in a well-ventilated areas. Yun lang. I hope you learned something.